Hello, tech lovers. This is Maiky from Maiky, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the newly launched IQOO Neo 10. Packed with exciting features like a fast refresh rate LTPO OLED display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a massive 6100 mAh battery, lightning-fast charging, and a sleek, slim design, this phone is already turning heads. In today's video, we'll unbox the device and share our initial impressions. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech reviews and updates. Let's dive in, unboxing the IQOO Neo 10. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sleek black box of the IQOO Neo 10. The minimalist design reflects the premium nature of the device. Upon cutting the plastic wrap and lifting the lid, we are greeted by the star of the show, the IQOO Neo 10 smartphone. Below it, there's a transparent protective case, a user manual, and a SIM ejector tool. Digging further, we find a Type-C to Type-C data cable and a 120-watt fast charger. This robust adapter is not only powerful, but also supports PD and PPS charging protocols, making it versatile for other devices as well. After removing the protective plastic wrap from the phone, we're greeted by the stunning Elite Black variant. Design and build quality. The IQOO Neo 10 is a masterpiece of engineering and aesthetics. The Elite Black color variant has a frosted finish that feels smooth and luxurious in hand. This matte texture not only looks classy, but also resists fingerprints effectively. The camera module features a unique design with a floating metal ring around the lenses, giving the phone a futuristic and recognizable appearance. Despite being packed with powerful hardware, the phone maintains a slim profile at 7.99 millimeters and weighs just 199 grams. The brushed metal frame, while not real metal, mimics the texture convincingly and feels premium. The seamless connection between the back panel and the frame adds to the comfort of holding the device. Turning to the front, the IQOO Neo 10 boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display with 1.5K resolution. The bezels are ultra-slim, measuring just 1.4 millimeters on the top and sides and 1.99 millimeters on the bottom chin. This makes the screen appear nearly bezel-less, providing an immersive viewing experience. The display delivers a peak brightness of 1800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The 144 Hz dynamic refresh rate offers silky smooth scrolling and gaming, while LTPO technology helps conserve battery by dynamically adjusting the refresh rate based on usage. For those concerned about eye strain, the phone includes advanced eye protection features, like reduced flicker and adjustable brightness for low-light conditions. Performance and gaming. At the heart of the IQOO Neo 10 lies the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with a self-developed display chip for enhanced visuals. With an Antutu score of 2.13 million, this phone is a performance beast, capable of handling the most demanding tasks and games. Game testing. Honor of Kings. As a longtime partner of this popular game, the IQOO Neo 10 runs it effortlessly. Even at the highest graphics settings and a steady 120 FPS, the gameplay is flawless with no frame drops. 2. Wandering Earth. Running the island activity map at 120 frames per second, the device maintains stable performance. Minor dips to around 110 FPS during intense group fights are barely noticeable. 3. Genshin Impact. This resource-heavy game runs impressively on the IQOO Neo 10. With stable frame rates ranging between 55 and 60 FPS, the phone delivers a console-like experience. Special optimizations, such as the VR Sandbox Adaptive Super Resolution algorithm, enhance visuals to near PC levels at 1.5K resolution. Thanks to the 6400mm VC cooling system, the phone stays cool during extended gaming sessions, with heat concentrated near the camera module for better thermal management. Camera. The IQOO Neo 10 features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 sensor with optical image stabilization. While the hardware remains similar to its predecessor, software optimizations have significantly improved image quality. Daytime photography. Photos exhibit natural and vibrant colors with excellent blue sky reproduction. Filters add an extra touch of creativity, enhancing the overall experience. Night photography. The phone excels in low-light conditions, capturing bright highlights without losing detail in shadows. The dynamic range is commendable, and the results rival those of higher-priced flagships. For video enthusiasts, the phone supports 4K recording at 30 FPS and the trendy Dynamic Live Photos feature. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features of the IQOO Neo 10 is its 6100 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than most phones in its category. Despite the increased capacity, the phone remains slim and lightweight, showcasing IQOO's engineering prowess. In battery life tests, the phone outperforms its predecessor, providing extended usage on a single charge. The included 120-watt fast charger can juice up the device from 5% to 40% in just 10 minutes, and a full charge takes only 36 minutes. This makes the IQOO Neo 10 perfect for users who are always on the go. Additional features. The IQOO Neo 10 doesn't skimp on features. 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner provides fast and secure unlocking. X-axis linear motor delivers precise and satisfying haptic feedback. Full function NFC enables seamless mobile payments and data transfers. Origin OS. Based on Android, this custom skin offers smooth animations and intuitive features. Pricing. The IQOO Neo 10 is priced competitively across different markets. China, starting at $2399 CNY. UK, around $260 USA, about $330. Given its feature set, the phone offers exceptional value for money. Conclusion. The IQOO Neo 10 continues the legacy of the Neo series by delivering flagship-level performance at an affordable price. With a stunning design, a powerful processor, a brilliant display, and enhanced cameras, it ticks all the right boxes for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. The addition of features like ultrasonic fingerprint scanning, a large battery, and fast charging further sweetens the deal. If you're looking for a phone that excels in performance, display quality, and battery life without breaking the bank, the IQOO Neo 10 is a fantastic choice. Be sure to check it out. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay tech-savvy. This version provides a comprehensive overview while maintaining a clear and engaging structure.
Anywhere you go,